Hi! Welcome to Emma and Chilly! The island sparkles like glass stairs. Every step shines. So pretty. I want to walk carefully. Me too. The crystals glow softly. They feel delicate. Do they break easily? Maybe. Maybe. This step feels thin. I hear a crack. It cracked! Oh! Stop moving! I didn't jump. Even light steps matter. This path needs care. Every choice counts. We can't rush here.
Not at all.
Slow steps protect crystals.
Hello? A turtle made of crystal!
I guard the path.
The steps are cracking.
Because choices are rushed.
Even small mistakes?
Especially small ones.
Every step is a decision. That makes sense. If one step breaks, the path weakens. We must rebuild carefully, piece by piece. What if I choose wrong?
Then we pause.
Pausing is allowed?
Pausing is wise. Then we move slowly.
Thoughtfully.
Let's study the cracks before stepping. Some steps shine brighter. They're stronger. Strong choices feel clear. Weak ones feel shaky. I feel that in my feet. Me too. We rebuild the weak steps. Slowly.
Won't jump ahead.
Only. One step only. I'll check before moving. Good habit. The island feels quiet, watching us. It listens to choices, like a test. I'm ready to choose carefully. Me too. The path is long and fragile. One mistake could spread cracks. So we slow down. Our steps affect everything. Every step matters. Care keeps things whole. Yes. I'm not afraid. I'm careful. Another step crack nearby. We need to fix it. Fixing takes patience and thinking. Quick fixes don't last. Strong ones take time. I'll take my time.
That's smart.
Let's begin rebuilding. Carefully. First crystal piece placed. Looks stable. I checked twice. That helped. That helped. Slow choices feel safer.
They are.
I'm learning already. Me too. Let's continue, step by step. More cracks ahead. Bigger decisions. We won't rush them.
Never.
Care is our guide, always. Ready for more? Ready! Let's rebuild the path, together.
The path narrows. Less room for error.
Choices feel heavier now.
That's okay.
I'll slow even more. Smart. One careful step.
Watching closely.
Careful choices keep us safe. Let's continue. The cracks are spreading.
Faster than before.
We can't fix everything at once.
We must choose.
Which step first? The weakest one. If I choose wrong,
The path breaks more.
I feel the weight.
That means you care. Another crack just formed.
We need to act. I want to jump ahead. That could shatter it. Waiting feels dangerous.
Rushing is worse.
My feet don't know where to go.
Then stop.
Stopping is a decision too.
A strong one. I'll study the crystal lines.
Look for stability.
This step shines evenly.
Strong base.
We rebuild here first. Good call. Placing the crystal gently. No pressure. It held. Nice choice. The next section is worse. Many cracks. Fixing one may break another. Tricky. I feel rushed again.
Breathe. Breathe.
In, out. Slow, thinking clearly again. Now decide. This step looks safer, but sounds hollow. I almost stepped there.
Good thing you checked.
Pretty doesn't mean strong.
Important lesson.
I'll test before trusting.
Always.
Choosing feels clearer now.
You're learning fast.
A step collapsed behind us. That was close. If I rushed,
You'd be falling.
you'd be falling. I'm glad I paused.
Pauses protect.
I won't skip checks again. Good promise.
Care first.
Always. The island is trembling.
Time is tight.
Many paths need fixing. We choose the safest route, not the fastest. The strongest, reinforcing the center steps, stabilizing everything. The shaking slowed.
Good strategy.
What if another choice was better? Second guessing won't help. I chose with care. Trust that. Care builds confidence.
I see it.
Confidence doesn't rush. It pauses. I feel steadier now. Me too. A narrow crystal bridge ahead. High risk. My legs feel stiff.
That's fear talking.
Fear tells me to slow.
Listen to it.
One foot at a time. Testing weight. The bridge held. Because you chose carefully. Cracks forming ahead again. We're not done. The biggest choice yet.
The core step.
If this fails,
Everything follows.
then I slow even more.
Good.
Rushing won't save it. Care will.
Care will.
Checking every crystal edge.
Take your time.
Choosing the strongest piece. Not the brightest. Placing it gently. Steady. Holding my breath. It's settling. It worked. The path stabilized. That choice mattered most. You nailed it. Care slowed time down and saved it. didn't rush once.
That's growth.
I trust my decisions now.
Good. You should.
Ready for the final test. Let's go! The island still trembles. One last repair. This step decides everything.
No pressure.
I'm not panicking.
Good sign.
Care guides me now.
Always did.
I'm ready. We're ready.
The crystal hums softly.
Listening. I choose the steady step.
Not the quick one.
Reinforcing slowly. Holding steady. No crack spreading. Good sign. The island is calming because of your choices. Care builds strength. Stronger than speed. I understand now. Say it.
Huh?
Good decisions take time. Exactly. And time protects us. Always. I'm ready for what's next.
The final moment.
The island is shaking again!
Stronger than before.
Cracks are spreading fast.
This is the core moment.
Only one step can hold.
One choice.
We can't test them all.
We must choose. My heart is racing.
Slow it down.
If I rush, it breaks.
If you freeze, it breaks too. I'll pause.
Good. Feeling the ground. Listening. My eyes want the shiny one.
What do your feet say?
Then trust that.
My feet trust the quiet step. I choose the quiet strength. I'm with you. The island trembles. Hold. Hold. Not rushing. Don't pull back. Staying present. Breathing. The crack stopped. It worked. The path is holding. Strong and calm. I chose right. You did. Slowing down showed at me.
Care reveals truth.
Wise choice.
Thank you. Thank you. Care saved the island and us. I trusted my judgment.
That's growth.
The shaking is fading, becoming still. Crystals glow evenly now, balanced.
Speed would have broken it.
Care rebuilt it.
Decisions shape paths.
Every time. I feel steady inside.
Me too.
The hardest part is over. Yes. The island feels safe, solid again. Care makes strong paths. Stronger than speed. I'll remember this feeling. Always. Calm choices last longer. They really do.
Let's walk forward now.
Slowly. The path supports us. Because we respected it. Thank you, Island.
For trusting us.
We listened carefully and chose wisely. Ready to finish?
Ready.
The crystals shine softly, not blinding. Everything feels balanced, at peace. I'm glad I paused.
Pausing saved us.
Pausing saved us. One choice mattered most.
And you chose well.
Let's end gently. Together. Care guided my steps. Every step.
Rushing would have failed. Completely.
I trust careful decisions now.
Always trust them.
Ready for rest? Yes. Let's move on calmly. Calmly. The island rests.
Quiet and strong. The path holds firm.
Because of care. Good decisions feel peaceful. They do. Ready for the ending?
Ready.
Care carried us through. All the way. The island is still.
No shaking anymore.
The crystals feel strong now, solid under our feet. I can breathe easily again. Me too. Slowing down helped me think.
It always does.
The path looks beautiful and safe.
Care made the island whole.
I see that now. Thank you for teaching me.
You learned by choosing.
Each step mattered. Every single one. I didn't need to rush. You needed to pause. Pausing felt brave. It was brave. I almost chose the shiny step.
But you listened deeper.
Quiet choices felt stronger.
Stronger and safer.
Care shows the right path. If you give it time. Time helps decisions grow, like crystals. I trust careful thinking now.
That trust matters.
The terraces shine evenly. No cracks left. Everything feels balanced. Inside and outside. Good choices feel calm. Calm feels good. I made decisions with care. You really did. That made me stronger.
Quietly strong.
My steps feel light now because the path is steady. No fear anymore. No fear anymore. Just awareness. Awareness helps me choose every day. I like this feeling. Me too. Slow and sure.
Safe and strong.
Rushing would have broken everything. Care fixed it. Care takes patience. And courage. Courage can be quiet. Very quiet. I'll remember this lesson. Always. This feels complete, like the path. Goodbye, Crystal Step Island.
Thank you.
We'll walk carefully elsewhere, too. Everywhere. I trust my choices more now. I can see it. I don't rush anymore. You think first. Ready to go? Slowly. The island rests behind us, strong and bright. Care built this path, step by step. Good decisions last longer, always. I'll choose carefully, every time. True strength comes from care and thoughtful hearts. Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. And I'm Chilly. We love fun, snow, and story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can join our Chilly adventures every week. See you soon. See you soon.